Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Kitete, Nanay,
Love you.
love you.
Ingat po.
Ingat po.
Ay Nay, happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko lang na mag-ayo ka. God health and me. Happy birthday, love you.
Birthday! Pero na.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Lola Dion. Sana mapapag. Kumain ka lagi ng gulay.
Happy birthday, Lola Dion! Sana po, sana magtagal po buhay niyo. Hintayin niyo kami. Uwi pa kami dyan. I love you, Nay. I miss you. Happy birthday, Nay. Wish you all the best. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayong birthday niyo. Love you, Ma.
Lagi.
Dandan, ikaw.
Happy birthday, Lola Dion. Love you.
RJ.
Happy birthday, Lola Dion. Sana po tumagal pa po kayo. Ayun, happy birthday, Lola Dion. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday, Lola Dion! I miss you! I miss you! Yay!
Go! Happy birthday, Lola! Pakake ka naman dyan.
Ano sabi mo? Kay Lola? Lola Dion? Happy 70th birthday. Kaling, ano sabihin mo kay
Happy
Lola?
birthday.
Punta naman ikaw dito, Lola, sabihin mo.
Punta naman ikaw dito, Lola.
Mama, chup-chup.
Matutin.
Harap! Mama, chup-chup.
Mama, tutu.
Bye!
Bye.
Happy birthday, Nay. I hope you live long and happy and more birthdays to come. We love you and may God bless you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi, Nay. Good happy birthday. I wish you a long and strong life. You're the best grandmother I could ever have. Giving me money is truly inspirational. Thank you, and I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. And God bless you, Nay. I love you.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! Na-surprise ka, no? Kala mo, hindi ka namin naalala na batiin ang iyong birthday at akala mo, wala tayong handa. Yan, so pinaghandaan namin yun, Nay, ang iyong birthday. Kinausap ko yung mga sister and brother ko. So, nagkaisa naman kami at kahit na wala kaming pera, ginawa namin ng paraan para iraos natin ang iyong 70th birthday. Happy birthday, Nay! So, no more drama na, Nay. So, alam mo na yan na mahal ka namin, love ka namin, and you're only one nanay in the whole world. We love you. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo long life and good health palagi. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday and God bless you. Mwah.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay!